Man, listen, Draymond must got something on this Golden State Warriors organization, because ain't no way in the blue head you can sit here and tell me that they ain't willing to include Draymond in any trade for Giannis. Draymond Green's the same guy who, in my opinion, cost the Warriors KD, because I believe KD would have came back to Golden State had he not got into it with Draymond. Draymond Green is the same guy who the whole world seen the footage of him punching the shit out of Jordan Poole. Jordan Poole was the one that ended up getting traded after that over to the Washington Wizards. The last time the Warriors won a chip was with Jordan Poole. Jordan Poole was one of the young guys that actually produced in the system in Golden State. A system a lot of young guys can't produce in. That's why they don't get the minutes. And that's the knock against young guys in Golden State. They can't produce or get the concept of the system in which Jordan Poole actually did and produced. And now you telling me you can't put a package, for example, something like Draymond, Jonathan Kuminga, and Podziemski and some picks to move to Milwaukee to get Giannis, who's clearly an upgrade over Draymond. The hell is going on in Golden State?